The world is filled with countless doors, each leading to uncharted possibilities, enduring hope, and transformative encounters. As China's vending industry pioneer and intelligent unmanned retail solutions expert, XY Vending champions independent innovation. We set industry benchmarks through technological advancement, unlocking new frontiers in smart manufacturing and next-gen retail productivity. This national high-tech enterprise integrates R&D, production, sales, and smart retail cloud platforms to redefine industry standards. Modern smart factories, where cutting-edge tech meets precision engineering, streamlined processes, meticulous craftsmanship meets digital efficiency, R&D excellence, targeted solutions for evolving industry demands. XY Vending has participated in the formulation of national standards and led the establishment of industry-wide Green Design Association standards. Multiple scientific and technological achievements have been recognized as domestically leading and internationally advanced. After over a decade of dedicated development, XY Vending has laid a solid foundation and is now reaping the rewards of its perseverance. The company has launched its One Body, Two Wings development structure. Its strategic layout for future market growth is steadily advancing. XY Vending's products have flourished, serving increasingly diverse market segments. XY Vending's presence spans the globe, connecting a growing network of partners. In 2020, CEC Industrial Internet became a shareholder in XY Vending. The company proactively established digital factories and an intelligent retail service platform. This powerful joint venture between XY Vending and a central state-owned enterprise leverages cutting-edge technologies like the Internet of Things, big data, and artificial intelligence to build a super management platform for smart retail service terminals, driving efficient collaboration across business systems. Establish a postdoctoral workstation to promote industry-academia research integration. Develop 4-in-1 whole industrial chain business to create an integrated development ecosystem. From production to service, hardware to software, XY Vending empowers the entire industry ecosystem with its strengths in manufacturing and R&D, integrating the vending machine manufacturing supply chain ecosystem, providing manufacturers with services like project incubation, product R&D, core components, software platforms, and power distribution systems, sharing efficient, smart, unattended retail services, empowering operators with 4 key services: products, operations, digital platforms, and supply chain solutions, enhancing management and collaboration efficiency, promoting the nationwide development of 6S service centers, reshaping value entry points and fulfilling premium service commitments, creating new commercial opportunities for operators. Industrial intelligence, perfected innovation. XY Vending's vision. Gesture-controlled lifestyle tech. Instant access telemedicine. Emotion-responsive AI interfaces. Immersive human-machine synergy. Upholding the development vision of becoming a global leader in intelligent new retail manufacturing. We empower the entire industrial chain with 4 core values: intelligent manufacturing, scientific and technological innovation, digital intelligent management, and platform services. Every door symbolizes future connections. Every opening embodies crafted excellence. Every entry point unlocks shared value. XY Vending. Innovation-driven progress, quality-defined leadership. Inspiring solutions for tomorrow's living.